8 Proven Success Factors from Brian Tracy. Brian Tracy is a highly recognized and sought-after speaker, coach, trainer, and author who travels extensively around the world. His presentations and seminars cover a multitude of areas, including personal development, leadership, time management, public speaking, business, and sales training. Tracy has discovered 8 success factors proven to help you achieve the best life you can have both personally and professionally. When you carry out some, or all, of the factors, you set yourself in the right direction to accelerate your accomplishments. Number 1. Education. Research shows that the highest paid people are the ones who have an education and who know more than the average person. An educated person has the knowledge, insights, and facts about his or her field and knows the trends. Hence the importance of adopting learning as a lifelong habit. Number 2. Skill. The more extensive and honed your skill set becomes, the better the opportunities you'll have to move ahead in your career. You can increase your skill set through your own experiences and also by studying. Number 3. Contacts. It's very important that you cultivate and expand your network to a healthy number of contacts. This takes time and effort, and you must work at it constantly. Doors continually open and close. Having a network of people who support you and who are there for you is key to moving ahead in life. Number 4. Money. Being effective at managing money is vital. Having money enables you to grab opportunities that come your way. For example, if you're in a job that you hate but have no money set aside, your options to move out of that situation are limited. When you have options, you have more freedom. Number 5. Good work habits. Good work habits enable you to be more productive. It's about setting priorities and being proactive. Your capacity to boost your ROTI, or return on time invested, can allow you to achieve much more in less time. Being organized and careful has its rewards. Number 6. Positive image. Dress for success. It's true that people are led by appearances, and it's no surprise that they tend to criticize you by the way you look, and you do the same. It's completely worth investing your time and some of your resources in presenting yourself to others the best way you can to create a positive image. Number 7. Creativity. Creativity is a great way to start moving ahead in life. It's something that you have to work at continually to move faster and achieve your dreams sooner rather than later. Keep in mind that many times it takes just one great idea to create wealth. Now imagine you have many great ideas. Number 8. Positive mental attitude. You have the power to choose a positive mental attitude no matter what you're going through. It's your responsibility to look at the positive side of things in every situation and move ahead in life. A positive mental attitude benefits you personally and professionally.